In the UAE, business can go from booming to bankrupt in months, don't because the product was bad, but because the owner didn't understand their own numbers. Are you running your business on guesswork? In this video, I'll show you why understanding the finance of your business in the UAE is not just smart, it's survival. And how ignoring this can land you in legal and cash trouble fast. Here's fact, even profitable UAE business can collapse due to cash flow. Imagine you are running a trading company in Dubai. You close a deal for 500,000 dirham, but your client pays in 120 days. While your rent in DIFC and salaries are due in next week, without cash in hand, you are stuck. And in the UAE, delayed payments can trigger check bounce cases, which can have legal consequences. Fact, Dubai Chamber survey shows that late payments are one of the top 3 challenges for SMEs in the UAE. Reason number 2, cost control in high overhead market. Example, a cafe owner in Dubai making 150,000 dirham per month in revenue discovered he was losing 20,000 dirham monthly because delivery aggregator commissions, VAT on imports, and high electricity bills were eating into profits. Until he saw the numbers, he thought sales alone meant success. Reason number 3, making strategic decisions in competitive market. Should you expand to Abu Dhabi, hire more staff for Expo City, increase digital marketing without knowing your break-even point, profit margins and ROI? These decisions become risks. In the UAE, one bad expansion can sink your business. Reason number 4, dealing with banks and investors. In the UAE, bank and investors expect you to speak the language of finance, walk into a funding meetings without clear P&L, balance sheet and cash flow projections, and you will walk out without funding. Even worse, your trade license renewal might be at risk if your compliance slips. Since VAT was introduced in 2018, understanding your numbers isn't optional. If you miscalculate VAT on sales or imports, you can face penalties up to 10,000 dirham for incorrect tax returns. So business owners in the UAE, do you personally review your monthly P&L and cash flow, or do you leave it all to your accountant? Comment yes if you check it and no if you don't. Let's see how many are truly hands-on. In the UAE, you can outsource bookkeeping, but you can't outsource responsibilities. Understand your numbers and you won't just survive here, you'll thrive. Follow for more UAE business tips that can save your money, time and stress.